Ride through the alphabet, A to Z vehicle names. A for ambulance. B for bus. C for car. D for dump truck. E for excavator. F for fire truck. G for garbage truck. H for helicopter. I for ice cream truck. J for jet. K for kayak. L for limousine. M for motorcycle. N for narrowboat. O for off-road vehicle. P for police car. Q for quad bike. R for rocket. S for scooter. T for tractor. U for unicycle. V for van. W for wagon. Y for yacht. Z for zeppelin.